Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Surbhi, a financial advisor here in Canada, and on this channel I talk about banking careers, life here in Canada, and I also make vlogs on my motherhood journey because I'm a new mom of 5 months old and also I'm on my mat leave as well. And if you want to grow professionally and financially, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the first 5 entry-level banking jobs here in Canada that are perfect for beginners or newcomers, and even if you don't have any Canadian experience. When I first started my journey, even I had no clue from where to begin with, which role should I apply for, what each title actually meant, and how to build a long-term career in the banking sector. So in this video, I'm going to break down everything in a very easiest and simple way. It includes what the job involves and how much it pays and where it can lead in future. So make sure you watch till the end, because in the end I'll also share some of the insider tips on how to get hired faster and move quickly once you get your banking job in your hand. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, so the first and a very common entry-level job is a CSR role, which is also called customer service representative role. This is actually the frontline role for most of the banks, and you're the first person clients meet when they first enter into the bank. You will help them with the deposits, withdrawals, any kind of transaction, bank draft, or any general account related queries. Now, a lot of people think that CSR role is just a teller job, but honestly it's much more than that. You are learning how the entire branch operates. You are getting hands-on experience with the systems, and you are building relationships with the clients every single day. When I worked closely with the new hires, I noticed something. The ones who showed curiosity about their job, ask questions, help their teammates with the references, are the ones who gets promoted very easily. It's not about your degree, it's not about your experience, it's about how you portray yourself in front of others, and it's about your attitude, it's about your energy. Now, if we talk about pay wise, you can expect somewhere around between $18 to $25. If you don't have any experience, you can somewhere start with $18 to $19. It depends on each and every bank, depending on the banks and the location. Some banks call this position as a position for client advisor role or member service representative. So keep an eye for those kind of titles too. To be honest with you guys, it's a fantastic start if you want to get into the role of financial advisor. You can start with this position. No matter what, you will any which ways grow organically. Now the second one is financial service representative role, or you can say FSR role. This is the next level after the CSR role. You are still working with the clients directly into the branch, but now you're helping them with the credit cards, with the bank accounts, with the investments, with almost everything, all the fun stuff about the money. This job is perfect for someone who enjoys having a meaningful conversation and helping people reach their goals, like saving for their child's education or saving for their first home purchase. And yes, it's a bit more sales oriented job, to be honest, but don't let that scare you. Think of it as a solution oriented job. You are recommending what's genuinely right for your client. Pay wise, if we see, it roughly ranges in between $45,000 to $60,000. I'm talking about Alberta province. I'm not sure about the other provinces. And also by the year end, there are bonuses and commissions also that you get on the top of it. So if you want to grow fast, this is the strongest stepping stone for you guys, because banks love to promote organically, and especially if you are on a role of FSR, they're gonna promote you to the financial advisor role or investment specialist role, depends. A small insider tip: if you are on a CSR role, let your manager know that you are interested for the role of FSR and you are genuinely interested for the role of FSR. Banks love to promote organically, and sometimes just asking makes a big difference. Now let's talk about the call center role, also known as contact center agents. A lot of people underestimate this job, but honestly it's one of the best positions if you want to learn everything about the bank and without being into the branch. You will handle customer calls about their transactions, any kind of their card issues, password resets, or online banking support. It's fast paced for sure, but it's a great training to understand the system of the bank, and also you will get a lot of knowledge about the compliance as well. The best part I love about this role is it's work from home. It's hybrid, which is perfect if you are a student, if you are a newcomer, if you are a new mom like me wanting a flexible work hour. And the pay usually starts around $20 to $26, and you will also get all the benefits from the day one. And here's the secret: if you are on this role, it gets very easy to get hired for the internal roles like credit assistant or even for the role of FSR, because you already know about the bank's internal processes. So if you're just trying to get your foot into the banking system, this is the best role to start with. Next is the bank teller or client advisor trainee. This is very similar to the role of CSR, but often part-time, great for the students, newcomers who just want to gain some Canadian experience. You will mainly handle cash transactions, check deposits, bank drafts. Sometimes you are going to help the clients with the ATM machine, how to do the transactions from there, or if they have any kind of query related to the online transactions, online banking. So it's all about the accuracy, professionalism, and consistency. This might look like a very simple job, but it requires a lot of discipline and a lot of responsibility. And these are the two things that bank really values. And if you are reliable and maintain good relationships with everybody, then promotion just comes very naturally. Pay is usually between $18 to $22 for this role, and even though it's an entry-level role, it opens a lot of doors for you guys. So if you're just starting and want to build confidence while learning banking basic, this is a great stepping stone. Okay, so now the fifth one is lending assistant or credit analyst role. This is more of a back office support role. You will assist financial advisors or lending managers in preparing loan documents, verifying the information, and following up with the clients, and for the paperwork. It's perfect for someone who is organized, detail oriented, and who likes to work in a quiet space. I mean to say behind the scenes. The good thing is, if you are more prone towards the loan side, this is the best role where you can actually learn a lot of things about how the loan documents work, about the sanctioning of loans and everything from application to approval. And this is a goal if you ever wanted to become a financial advisor, mortgage advisor, or credit analyst later. And the salary is usually ranges between $45,000 to $55,000 with regular Monday to Friday 9 to 5. Great for work-life balance. Now comes to the part of bonus tips. Let me share a quick insider tips with you guys now that can actually help you land these jobs faster. First one is network smartly. Connect with the recruiters on LinkedIn. I always say that, and even in my previous videos also, so many times I have mentioned, go and build a connection, a strong connection, and especially with the recruiters, and especially those who hire for CIBC, TD, RBC, Scotia, whatsoever bank you want to get hired for. Don't just send a blank request. Introduce yourself briefly. Number 2, tailor your resume. Highlight your people skills, communication, teamwork, attention to detail. These matter more than experience. Number 3, get a job in the door. Even a part-time job or temporary role is very valuable. It counts as a Canadian experience. Number 4, take online courses. Coursera and LinkedIn Learning has free courses, so you can go on LinkedIn and apply for the free courses over there, and they have great ones on the customer service or finance roles. Number 5, be flexible with the location, you guys. Small cities and suburban branches hire faster, and you can always transfer later. So you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked today's video, and I hope it helped you to understand different kind of entry-level banking jobs and how each one can lead to a bigger opportunity. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want me to make more of such kind of videos. Look! And please don't forget to subscribe my channel before you go, and let me know which role you are thinking to apply for. I would love to guide you further. I also wanted to talk about something else as well, but maybe later on in the next video I will talk in more detail about it. But in this video, we are just going to wrap it up here. So till then, take care of yourself and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.